This year for my personal planner, I'm moving into a daily duo life planner and I'm starting this in July. So I'm going to be setting up my 6 months at a glance here. For the daily duo, it does show the 6 months that are in the planner, and then it does have a 2025 year at a glance pages over here. Really not quite ready to like set this up yet, but definitely going to be setting up these 6 months. So let's go ahead and continue here. I had already started setting up this planner using a sticker book from Wrong Planner Babe. I really like this like neutral aesthetic. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight some certain dates on here. And to do that, I'm going to be using these transparent like square stickers. So this comes in a pack of 3 from Erin Condren. Let me show you the 3 colors here. So there is a colorful page here. There is a foil page with 4 different foils on here. And then there is a pastel, like more neutral page. So I'm not sure which of these I really want to use. I think I might want to use maybe one of the foils and then definitely use these, or I'm just going to use all of these. So I need to create a key for the dots that I'm going to use, and these are the subjects that I'm going to be highlighting: holidays, family birthdays, important dates, and paydays. And I'm going to create that key down here. But before I do that, I kind of want to add a little bit more deco on to this section because I feel like it's going to be kind of lights as far as like what's going to be on here. So I'm going to add a little bit more deco in here. So I did use this washi tape at the top, and I'm actually going to use it here at the bottom to trim over here. And I want to cover up this right here, the Erin Condren. It says Erin Condren made in the USA, but I'm going to cover that because otherwise it's going to shadow through. So I'm just going to use some whiteout to do that. I like to use this one right here. And this one is Tombow. It is the, let's see, the mono correction tape in a mini size. So that works really well for my Erin Condren planners. And I really use this on everything, but it does kind of blend really nicely with this paper. Now, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Tina. Thanks so much for stopping in. And if you are returning, thanks for joining me in another video. All right, I think I'm just going to do kind of the same thing I did up here. I didn't like cut the washi or anything like that. I just laid it down straight, used the full like width of it, and I think that that works. And then I'm just going to kind of cut around the sticker that I've already laid down here, so that way it just kind of looks like the washi tape is just kind of like trimmed around here, using my little X-Acto knife to do this. And hopefully I add enough pressure. Sometimes I don't add enough pressure. Perfect. Yay. Sometimes it works out perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing over here by the glasses. And hopefully I have a good cut here as well. I'd love to know how you use these like year at a glance month pages. Do you do anything with them, or do you just leave them blank? And if you do anything with them, I'd love to hear how you use them. I like getting tips and ideas from you as well. All right, yay, that worked out great. A little washi, I'm just gonna get rid of those little pieces. And then of course I have to cut this because I didn't cut this yet. So I think I'm just gonna use the edge of this. This is the sticky note little snap in, and this is in the canvas. So the layout that I'm using in this daily duo is the canvas layout. I'm really excited about it. If you haven't seen it yet, it's super, super simple, which is perfect for me because I love adding deco in here. So here's like the month at a glance, and then here is the monthly dashboard. There is a notes page in here for the month, and then they're adding an extra notes page in here, a weekly overview, which is pretty cool, and then it starts with the week here on Monday. So you get a weekly overview that is not dated, but the dailies are dated. You can see I started decorating the days in here already. And it's just nice and simple, and I love it. I just love, love, love this planner. I'm really excited to like start moving into it. Have this other washi here, and I'm not sure if I want to add that in here or if I want to do like another grid, but I definitely want to add another like washi strip through here. So let's see. I think I don't know. I kind of like the grid, but what if I did like a combo? Well, that's kind of cool. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to lay the one over the other. So let me use this one right here. And this is part of the Erin Condren washi for the canvas layouts. Okay. All right, now I think I do want to add in the grid. Now, should I add it here or over it or under it? Decisions. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it. Yeah, I think maybe I'm just going to leave it. I kind of like the way that that looks. All right, so here are the subjects for my key. I really like using this pen. It's one of my favorites. It's a Zebra Sarasa clip pen, and it's, like I said, it's one of my favorites to use. So I'm going to use that here, and I think I'm going to do like maybe all caps here. Okay. And then I think what I'll do is I'll put the dots in front, whichever ones I decide. So let's start here with holidays, family birthdays, important dates. I have a few important dates that I just want to like highlight. And then paydays. So now the paydays are really like my husband's paydays, but I don't really have that information just yet. So that one I will not be like filling out on the calendar, but these other ones I will. So that's 4. So let's take a look here because I want to stick with like the colors that match here. And I could bring in the foil, might be kind of fun to bring in for holidays, family birthdays. I'm going to use this one right here. It's going to be my one. So I'm just going to place this right here. Important dates, I think I'm going to use this one. So that'll be important dates. All right, so paydays is going to be this one here. And then holidays, I'm thinking I'm going to go with the gold just because I've got that gold strip here, washi there. Okay, I know previously they had them like little round dots, and I'm not sure which one I like better. Okay, let's do holidays first. So I'm going to use all of these gold. I'm so sorry for the glare. So we've got July 4th here. And yeah, see, these I feel like are a little bit trickier to lay down because they're square. So if they're like off a little bit, you're going to see that. Whereas with the round ones, you didn't see that. Okay, August. There are no holidays in August. September. Now this one is a little bit different because September 2nd is Labor Day. However, it's also my sister-in-law's birthday. So I can split this square in half and that will actually work. Or since this one's like highlighted around, I'm wondering if I layer this. All right, so let me set this down and let me grab the one for birthdays because that's going to be, that's this one right here. Family birthdays. Okay, so I'm going to lay this one down here because it is her birthday. And it also happens to be Labor Day. So I'm thinking I could just layer this on top. There we go. So there you go. It's 2. So that's the advantage of having these just like trim around. And if you have like a shared day, like I do here, then that's a good way to highlight the same day for both of those things. So now we're in October. And we've got Halloween, which is my personal favorite holiday. And then we've got Thanksgiving in November. It's the last Thursday. All right, so here we go. Oops. All right, so it is the 28th of November. All right, now we're coming here into December and we've got to highlight Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We celebrate Christmas in my family. So that is going to be highlighted. And I'm also going to put one around Christmas Eve too. Oh, these are a little crooked. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to put one on New Year's Eve. And that's the holiday that my husband and we always celebrate, just him and I, and that's really nice. I love that. Let's do family birthdays. All right, so that is this one right here. I feel like this one and this one are very similar. Okay, so the 1st of July, and then my birthday is the 27th. So of course I'm going to highlight that one. Not that I need a reminder, but I'm going to highlight it because it's honestly the only day in August that is like an important day. It's obviously important to me, but oh, actually I need to go back to July because I have my father-in-law and his birthday is the 14th. All right. So the 1st was my brother's. The 14th is my father-in-law's. September, I've got that. So now we're in October. We've got lots of October birthdays. We've got the 15th, which happens to be my sister-in-law's mother's birthday. And I like to highlight that because she's extended family. And then we've got my mom, which is the 19th. And then we've got my dad, who is the 22nd. Oh my goodness, crazy birthday month for us. All right, November and December, I do not have any birthdays for family members. So that is it for that category. Now, different important dates that come up, like anniversaries. So my parents' anniversary is July 27th. So I'm going to highlight that. Oh, I gotta put that on a little straighter. The nice thing about these stickers is they do come up like with ease. So if you do need to reposition them, I really like that. All right, and then July 17th is the anniversary of my brother's passing. So not that I'm going to forget that, but I'm going to put that on there. August, I'm going to end up using that for like back to school, but I don't know that date yet. Important date here that I want to remember. My sister-in-law's got going on that day, so remember that. And then I also have my in-laws' anniversary in this month. That is the 17th, so I want to highlight that. I think we are good with any important dates. All right, so now the only other days that I need to put in here would be the paydays, which I do not have that information just yet. So, but that's the color that I will use once I have that. So I'm done with my little transparent stickers. I really like this set. I like that it comes in these 3-page options. So, you know, depending on what you need, if you need like a colorful option, then you have that, the pastel, and then of course the foil option. So that all comes together, and that's called the Multicolored Squares Sticker Pack. And that's like the back of it there. So you could see how that comes. All right, so that is it. Okay, so I'm going to open this up so that way you could see how it looks on the other side here. I did film how I set up my boxes in another video. I will attach that for you. And if you want to check out how I did that and what I have in there. And then this page is done. And I like that additional little deco that I added in here. I think it just kind of like fills up the page a little bit more than just leaving it the way that I had it before. All right, I really like the way that that turned out, and I do have a couple of more pages in this planner that I need to set up, which I will be filming and sharing that with you. So be sure that if you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I put those videos out. And I am an Erin Condren affiliate. So if you do decide to purchase anything from Erin Condren, I do have my affiliate link down below. Greatly appreciate if you use my link for your next purchase. And thank you so much for those of you that have already used it. I know many of you have. I am also an affiliate for RONGRONG. So if you do decide to pick up the Planner Babe or any of her other sticker books or items, there is an automatic 10% discount with my affiliate link. And again, that is down below in the description. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. That really does help me out here on YouTube. Be sure to share this with anyone else that you think might find this information useful, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know, are you starting a new planner in July, and are you setting it up? Do you already have it set up? Just, I would love to hear your planning journey as well. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you did watch this all the way through, please leave me a check emoji. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.